Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Cooking delicious shrimp is surprisingly simple, and you can achieve perfectly succulent results in mere minutes. Shrimp are an incredible protein, versatile enough for pasta, tacos, or a quick stir-fry, making them perfect for weeknights or special occasions. With just a few basic steps, you will transform raw shrimp into a flavorful dish that will impress everyone. Get ready to master this delightful seafood, starting today. Properly thawing your shrimp is the most crucial first step to achieving that perfect, tender texture. If using frozen, simply place them in a colander under cold running water for 10 to 15 minutes until completely defrosted. Once thawed, peel away the shells, and then use a small paring knife to devein them by making a shallow cut along the back. Leaving the tails on can make for a beautiful presentation, but it is entirely your choice. You do not need a long list of fancy ingredients to create amazingly flavorful shrimp. The key is using a few fresh, high-quality components. Gather some good olive oil, a few cloves of minced fresh garlic, and your go-to seasonings like salt, pepper, and a pinch of paprika. Make sure you have a large skillet or frying pan ready. It is essential for cooking the shrimp evenly and quickly. The secret to tender, juicy shrimp lies in high heat and a very quick cook time. First, heat your olive oil in the skillet until it is shimmering. Add your prepped shrimp in a single layer, ensuring you do not overcrowd the pan. Cook them for just 1 to 2 minutes per side. They are ready when they turn pink, curl into a C shape, and become opaque. Remember, overcooking makes shrimp tough. Once your perfectly cooked shrimp are off the heat, a final touch can elevate them even further. A sprinkle of fresh chopped herbs like parsley or cilantro adds a vibrant pop of color and flavor. Finish with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This brightens everything beautifully. Serve your delicious shrimp immediately over pasta, with fluffy rice, or alongside a crisp green salad for a quick and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.